My name is Ron Mealy. I am a member of the Coast Guard Auxiliary, District 11, Southern Region. I am a QE, and the purpose of this video is to help Coast Guard Auxiliarists learn how to plot. The missions that I have been on as a QE, plotting latitude and longitude has been an issue. So I want to show you the fastest method I know how to plot. But first, I want to talk about the types of tools. Some members use a compression type of dividers, and these are good until they get very old. They will cause problems in trying to hold position, or you set it to one and then you have to set it again because you open it up and then it goes back to an old one, or you squeeze it down and then it opens to another position, and that causes some issues. Or when they get old, they just don't hold the position well. I will be using a West Marine ultralight, this is a Weems and Plath ultralight dividers, 7-inch. They are a one-hand nav tool that closes down, or it has a little spur gear for some finite work. We also have a parallel rule, which many members like to use. I think they cause some issues because they don't hold well. And I'll be using this compact parallel plotter. I'm using the compact to show that no matter where I plot, the technique that I'm showing you will work well. Many people do plots on the side of the chart, like so, and that's what's causing a problem, because their tools will reach in here, but when they have to plot in the middle of the chart, it causes some issues. I am working on the 1210 TR Martha's Vineyard chart. This chart, many, if not everyone, in the Coast Guard Auxiliary has. It's a common chart for training. I'll be using this for discussion on how to plot the latitude and longitude. The position I'm plotting for demonstration here is latitude 41 degrees, 24.3 minutes north, longitude 71 degrees, 04.2 minutes west. We will plot the latitude first. Always plot the lat first. Here is 41 degrees, 10 minutes, 15, 20 is a lat line, up to 25. We'll be using the 20 lat line as our base, and we go to 24.3 minutes north. Keeping the point of the dividers on the 20 lat line for reference, I'm going to come over to the longitude line that's closest to 7104.2 longitude, and it turns out to be 71 degrees. I am going to put the point right on that crosshair right there, and I'm going to put a tick mark on that meridian. At that point, I will either use my parallel rules or my parallel plotter to bring this 4120 lat line up to my position. Many people will try to do this, but your parallel rules will not open far enough, and they do twist around. If it's very high up, further than your your parallel spread, then you're going to want to, but you got to nail this down to bring it up to that 4124. Or we can use the compact or parallel plotter and just take it up. And it's much easier. We're going to take the line, and run it nearly all the way across. Anywhere along that line is 4124.3 minutes north. At that point, I'm going to take my compass again and come down to the bottom of the chart, 71 degrees, and I'm going to open my compass to 04.2. Staying on that 71 degree line, slide it up to the mark I made and the line, and swing a little arc on that line. That is now our 41 degree, 24.3 minutes north, 71 degree, 04.2 minutes west. Thank you. Okay. For a quick review, we always plot latitude first, so we're going to do 41, 24.3 minutes north. We keep it on there and we drag it across till we get to the nearest meridian, longitude line, which happens to be 71 degrees. We put a tick mark. We take our parallel rules or our roll plotter, and we parallel that line to the tick mark. We draw the line all the way across if necessary. It doesn't matter. We're going to come down to the bottom. We're going to open up our compass to the longitude of 7104.2. We're going to bring it up, keeping on that meridian to the tick mark. We put an arc. That is our position. I circle it. This is how you plot, and it's very fairly rapid. It should take about between 30 and 45 seconds. This is not an afternoon project. We need to be fairly rapid. As boat crewmen, we are the navigators for the boat. I thank you. Plotting directions and measuring distances, majority of people have no problem with that. It's just this initial plot that causes the problem. I thank you.